This is 2 pieces of aluminum foil and a highlighter. So let's go. Close it.
6 minutes.
No, it's 2. Here we go.
6.
Well, there's the aluminum foil right off the bat. Yeah.
Dude, it's actually making it. It's making a beat.
Alive.
It's a beat.
It's burning piece by piece. Come on, highlighter. Whoa! It was like a volcano. That was pretty cool.
It's like a light show to the camera.
Well, there's the fireworks. Well, that's pretty neat. It just shot the ink out. Oh crap! All right, let me see this.
It's burnt.
It's all right. I don't think you can. All right, on the roof, it's a huge ink stain. It's just there, right there. Huge. It just shot out of the tip. Look, the tip is still on. It's just shot the ink out, and it's all over. And there's aluminum foil. Holy moly! It just it melted the glass. It melted the glass. Wow. This is another CD in the microwave. Alright, go. That's crazy. I love that. You can't not love that. Spray in the microwave. Go. This had better explode.
It's not.
It better.
Dude.
Oh, dude, it's shooting out.
Holy crap, it's like bleeding.
It's making strawberry slushy.
Yeah.
Hey. The sugar in the strawberry. That's nice.
Now it's like,
That's pretty. Ugh. Oh!
Dude, it like flattened.
That's so nice.
It looks like
Alright. That's a little strawberry there.
What if this is how they make fake blood?
Alright. That's pretty nice strawberry there. It's pretty tasty. Alright, this is 2 CDs with microwave. Alright, so... Yeah, 2. Double raw power. Oh! That's something like off Tron. If you've ever seen that movie. I have seen that movie, they should have too. Alright, looks like just the bottom one's glistening. Move a little closer. That's the action. Alright, so that's 2 CDs right there.